When it comes time to move, expand, or upgrade, there's a lot that can go wrong with network and security systems. So picking the right installation partner is crucial. At Empire, we have a proven process we take every customer through. It allows us to make sure that the customer is confident in their new technology and avoids headaches for them down the road. Today, we're gonna dive in on Empire's 4-step process and show you how it makes all the difference in making sure your project is successful. Step 1 is the discovery call. This is probably one of the most important steps, and unfortunately, it gets skipped a lot by our competitors. This is where we sit down with you and we go over question by question, system by system, and we make sure we discover all the needs and wants that you have in your project. What we do is we start a preliminary design with you. We look at your floor plan and we ask you those questions and we start designing together. Then what we do is we take our expertise and we add in and we give you options. We also are going to discuss time frame, budget, and we're going to discuss what the most concerns are that you have for this project. When we're done with the discovery call, we know exactly what you're looking for in your project. Whether it's a security system or some other type of low voltage system that we're installing, we have a very clear idea of what you're looking for and what you consider will be a success for your project. Some of the questions that we'll be covering, for example, are which systems are you looking for? Are we looking for access control, surveillance systems, alarm systems? Do you need any help with network and wireless? Do you need any audio and video? Or is it 24/7? Is it a regular operating hours facility? Do you have temporary staff or is it all internal staff? Where are the hot spots where we've consistently had problems? Those are just some of the questions we would ask in a discovery call. Step 2 is the project plan. That's where we get a design similar to this one and we start looking at the actual solution for your problems and for your project. During this step is when we present you with a proposal and a design on what we plan on doing for you. It also comes with a schedule, and so you know what our time frame looks like. And if you have deadlines, you know what it takes to meet those deadlines. The project plan is gonna have a detailed scope of work. It's gonna show exactly what's included and what we plan on doing system by system. For example, if we're doing a security system, you're gonna see exactly what's included. If we're doing wireless and networking, you're gonna see how many access points we're installing. You're gonna see pictures of each product that we plan on installing, along with the description of each product. Basically, you're gonna have a full plan and a very detailed plan, what we intend on doing at your facility. This plan is also going to go to our field team for the next step, which is installation. During installation is when we get involved with project management. It's important to us that we meet deadlines and we stay on budget. And so what we do is we monitor and report updates to you as the customer on where we're at step by step. Another thing we have to consider during the install is the quality of the install. We can't just install it on time, it has to be done to a quality standard. Go and do QC checks during the install. Also at the end of the install is what's important. Step number 4 is our total care services step. They come in and they start a training process with you. They sit down with you and show you all the ins and outs of your system, how it works and how to use it. But more importantly, they're there for you after the install when you need help. Our total care services department is here for the long haul so that we can continue a relationship with you even after the project's done. Depending on the total care service level that you choose, whether that be bronze, silver, or gold, they will come in on an annual or a quarterly basis to continue to maintain, support, and train you on your new system. A lot of companies in our line of work are project-based, which means they come in, they install the project, and you might not see them again. For us, it's important to keep a relationship with you. And so our Total Care Services department is there at your disposal whenever you need them to support you even after the project's done. This 4-step process ensures long-term success for your organization. It makes sure that the investment and the money that you spend on these systems lasts you forever. Don't put your project at risk by choosing a mediocre service provider. Call us today so we can help you design and install the right project and the right systems for your business. Call us today or check out the website so we can help you and schedule the discovery call.